How to log into UHS Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into UHS Employee Portal. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, simply search for UHS Employee Portal on your web browser. Then you'll find the websites by here that says Employee Self-Service UHS. So open that up. After you open this website up, here you'll find Employee Self-Service Portal. So if you scroll down, you'll find Employee Information and Self-Service. So from here, there are different options for the employees as well. If you want to visit the service center, you can tap on that, or the Lawson portal, or SharePoint, and different stuff. So here you'll see webmail, your news, you'll see this option that says health stream. So you can choose either of this as an employee. So I'll just tap on one randomly, and after I tap on it, it will redirect me to UHS employee sign in page where I can now sign in into my account. So type in your email address here, whatever your email address is, then the password for your account. After that, tap on sign in and you're good to go. You'll be logged in into your account and that's basically it. Thanks for watching guys, that's how simple it is. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye, take care.